Right, hey guys, it's Wet Retard here, and it's 4 o'clock in the morning, and I'm going to be showing you Little's survival on Wetcraft. So, I've got myself some wood. I'm going to start building a little house just right here. Okay, so here we go. It's 4 o'clock in the morning, really tired, but I'm making this video. Isn't that a wonderful creation? And yes, that's why I started YouTube.
Friends who don't go together,